Hollywood smile. Strip a booty in a rack like wow. Rain like Berkeley, better at Coachella. I went to see Chica. Hey guys, so let's jump right in. This is me showing you the empty closet. I've already removed all of the clothing. And then we're going to go right in and start ripping out this ugly wire rack. I'm going to start with loosening the screws, as you see I'm doing here. And then I am going to be removing some of the screws are in anchors and they're in the drywall, so they are going to leave a bit of a hole. But I'm going to also show you me patching those holes as well, so stay tuned.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
So here are the extenders to the bookcases, and I just have to build them. This is one built already, and I just have to add it onto each top of each one. So this is just me screwing in and adding the extender, and that's how it looks when it's added fully. So I also added some glass shelves to my bookcases as well. You can get these from Ikea as well. And these are just brackets to secure the bookshelves into the wall. So this casing, this wardrobe to the right here, this is the actual PAX 29.5 wardrobe. So it's not the Billy bookcase like the rest of them, but I did add one of them. So now my son decided to join me and help me paint, and this was lovely of him, although he didn't really want to be here. I kind of forced him to do it. So we're just painting the exposed walls white. We didn't need to paint all the walls that was going to be hidden behind the book shelves. We just went ahead and painted two parts of the wall, just a pure white, so that it can kind of flow with the room.
Let's take this overboard now.
So now I'm getting started on laying the floors, and the flooring was really simple, really easy. This was a peel and stick, I think it's a vinyl flooring. I will list it in the description because I'm not too sure, I can't remember, but it was super easy. You literally score a line and pop it, and it'll crack to the size that you want to have it. You remove the back paper, and then you lay it down and you press it firmly, and it's waterproof and it sticks really well, but it does allow you to adjust it. So if you do place it in an area and you feel like you want to lift it up and move it or change something around, you can do that as well. So this was pretty simple. I tried to go with like a pattern here, like long, short, but then I kind of probably got tired of doing that. But this was simple, and I did this on my own, so you can do this too. Typically I would have laid the flooring before I put in the bookcases, but I wasn't sure what I was going to do when it came to flooring, so it still worked out.
Let's take this overboard now.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. Floors are laid. I did make a few adjustments here. I did end up with an additional 29.5-inch PAX wardrobe. So this is one here showing, and then I'll show you the other on the other side. I added some baskets there to throw in my slippers and sandals. I did not want to put all of my belongings in the closet for this video, so just some of my things placed inside of here. As we go on, you can see here, I added another 29.5 pack system, so that's that here for additional hanging space as well. I did add quarter rounds to the bottom of each of the shelving units to give it more of a built-in effect, and I think it looks really nice. Everything's flush up against the wall. Brackets are in to secure so nothing will fall. And I may even come back and add some crown molding around it, but that wasn't necessary. Here I took one of my Dior shopping bags, I cut it, and then I added it to a picture frame. Super neat. Thanks guys for watching. This is the end. And this was fun. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section.